Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Koenig Knives Arius Generation 4 carbon fiber blue sprint run, beautiful knife, and as usual we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But first of all, let's just do a quick size comparison up against some other beauties. This is your Shirogorov F3NS, beautiful liner lock with carbon fiber scales from Shirogorov. This is another pretty cool knife, guys. This is the Todd Begg, the Begg Knives Steelcraft Edition Mini Glimpse right over there. And let's do it up against another carbon fiber guy. This is the Mini Crooked River from Benchmade right over here. Pretty comparable. Handle size, a little bit shorter, but nonetheless pretty cool. Chris Reeve Knives, large Sebenza 21 going on right there. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, we have this guy over here. Of course, Holt Blade Works Spectre, that's a version 2, something that I really love because of the handle blade ratio. It's just phenomenal. Look at this, this is like 3.5 inch long blade, but check out the handle. See? This is packing much more cutting edge. This is another little one. This is the Pena X Series Mula right there, and let's do a Canadian one because yeah, why not? We have it here. This is the North Arm Knives Kaha 2 going on right over here. And what else we have? Oh yeah, let's do Spyderco Paramilitary 2 and Spyderco Para 3 because these are pretty popular options for sure. So guys, this is the Koenig Knives Arius in carbon fiber. It's a sprint run. I think they made 30 of each color. This is the blue carbon fiber, and there's a red version. This is a fantastic knife. Guys, this is fantastic. This is the Generation 4, and it says number 22, I think, on the inside, right over there. Not sure if you can see, but it's numbered because of it's a sprint run. So this one has all the same features of the other Koenig Arius, but being a Generation 4, it has a little bit of improvements overall. So, for example, I mean, the presentation scale is going to be the same. This one has cool carbon fiber with blue accents going on, and this milled pattern, I don't know if you can appreciate that, which is the same as the one in the back. Look how cool it's made. I mean, beautifully chamfered all the way around, in and out. Absolutely stunning. These scales have been heavily skeletonized on the inside, both the carbon fiber and the titanium lock side, in order to reduce considerably the weight. It's beautiful. The flipper tab, it's fantastic. This has been improved over the Generation 2, which was a little bit more pointy. You've got some pretty nice action, both for push button and for light switch from this beautifully designed and chamfered flipper tab. Then you've got of course, your back spacer milled out from a solid chunk of titanium, 3D milled with integrated lanyard hole and some grooves going on. Nicely done, guys. I have to say this is done like this to keep the overall flow of the design, but it's going to reduce the handle to blade ratio because you see from this point onward it's not wasted space, but kind of because they had to add the lanyard hole. So this is probably my only gripe, and just the clip, which is not 100% functional. It's cool looking, and it's gonna expose this chunk of the blade out of your pocket. But overall, what is going on here is beautiful lock face. Insert is superb, fantastic, stainless steel right over here. Very, very easy to disengage the lock bar because of this cutout going on, because of the jimping going on right here. Very, very nice and smooth. It's just good, guys. Super easy and straightforward disassembling. For this guy, just a T8, unscrew this one, you're done. Pivot is keyed in, you're not gonna be needed to. Also, the clip is just tip up, carry only. It's not reversible, it's not ambidextrous, but it's all right. The blade is a 3.5 inch blade made out of M390. You can see the logo, the engraved steel employed only on generation 4. Drop point, beautiful hollow grind, nice swedge going on. There's no jimping, but it's fantastically done, guys. Belly up to here, nice and straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Pretty thin behind the edge, guys. Look at this nice chamfer going on over here. I love like this line. It's fantastically done, guys. It's beautiful. And here, I mean, this is a beautiful knife, guys. It's also like there's some unobtrusive billboarding just engraved right over here, and the sound this guy makes. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. You have the an internal stop pin which is gonna hit the scales, and therefore producing this beautiful clack over here and clink over there. Clack and click. Okay, sorry about that. So the sound is gonna be fantastic. The weight in the pocket of this guy is going to be 4 ounces. Yes, 4 ounces for an 8.5 inch long overall knife. It's fantastic. They achieved this weight by heavily milling out presentation scale, which is carbon fiber, so, and also the lock side scale, and compared to the titanium version, like this guy over here, for example, is 5.2 ounces because there's no skeletonization of the presentation scale. So this is going to be 1.2 ounces heavier than this guy. Fantastic. Zero hot spots in the hand, zero sharp edges, no jimping going on, but who cares? It's fantastic. You don't need this because there's a thumb ramp, and the overall shape of the handle is going to make sure that your hand cannot go over past this guard over here. Beautifully done. You can do reverse grip, but this is going to be a little bit pointy, so not ideal. But overall, guys, even if this is carbon fiber, this is absolutely rock solid. It's not gonna flex, it's not gonna go anywhere. The texture on the scales are gonna give you nice grip in the hand, zero gaps, top fit and finish, and zero blade play. The only thing, only gripe I have one is the handle to blade ratio, and this kind of like wasted area, kind of wasted over here, and the clip ramp over here being a little bit too short, but the tension is good, so it's gonna stay safely in the pocket 100%. Deployment speed, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, beautiful. You can play with this guy forever. It's gonna be deploying fast. You can do like this, just place your thumb like at the end of this hole right over here, and boom, it flakes open with your thumb flick. You can do the same with the middle finger, something like that, just like in this area here, and like you hold it like this, and this guy is gonna spidey flick beautifully. Light switch, it's fine. Push button, it's great. 2 hands, you're perfectly good in doing that. So many options you have to deploy this guy. Every single method is gonna be effective, fast, zero finger sore because everything is nicely chamfered here. It's beautifully done. The geometry is gonna make you effortlessly deploy this blade, and the action is, regardless of the method employed, is gonna be smooth because of the ball bearings caged, of course, running around the pivot. Beautiful beautiful action. The heat and strength is on the medium side. You even have some kickback of the blade wanting to drag the handle away from your hand. It's beautifully done. Of course, safely tucked in tip right over here. You cannot touch that. Zero rattling when shaken. Super easy to release the lock. I mean, the feelings going on in this blade are phenomenal. I love the detent ball ramp doing this smooth movement when you close the blade. Fantastic. No hard step right over there when the detent ball hits the tang of the blade. Nice and sweet ramp going on. As soon as you disengage the lock bar, the blade wants to free fall, and look at this. Look at the smoothness. Look, it wants to go and just close shut in a smooth and gliding action. Just beautiful. Really super cool, guys. So, I mean, overall, this is a pretty cool looking blade. Very nice and distinctive sound. Fantastic ergos. Very light, super fidgetable. I mean, what else do you want more? Maybe a cheaper price? Yes, I'm with you on that. But hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.